Okay, I know it's late. I had stuff going on this morning. Well, my computer just crashes. Not this computer, luckily. Even though this computer is like a decade old, my work computer has just been freezing up. So I was kind of just really frustrated all day trying to fix it and finding no fixes. And I still don't know if it's fixed, but I did try a couple things and it hasn't busted yet. So I don't know why I'm telling you this. You don't care. I'll I got carrots. I wanted to try. Oh fuck it. I'll just eat. I'll. I don't have no shame of eating carrots during the stream. Anyways, I want to try to code a soundscape for today without looking at stuff. So we'll see how that goes. Um. So one cool thing. Oh, one cool thing about Sonic Pi is it does these like autofills for, so like if I want to use a synth but I don't know what synths are here, I do a colon and then I get all of these different synths. So that's really cool. I want to say there's a boom sound I was using for the last episode. I'm just not remembering what it was called. Beady Boom. I think that's what it was. I could have sworn it had a room argument. What? Yeah, okay, my bad, my bad. See, that should just... Oh, okay, yeah, it is looping. Okay. But there was a... Nope, not there. Sorry. I want to say it was right here. We also have a room... Oh, there you go. So I guess I just don't really know what the difference of the colon before the word or the colon after the word. Colon before, in this case, is a name called Boom that we gave it. It could be anything. Then there's a colon before for an effect called reverb that is in Sonic Pi. It can't be anything. It has to be reverb. Then this is a parameter, I guess, for reverb. Let me see if it sounds... Yeah, do you hear that? It like disperses differently. I'm kind of wanting to do a hi-hat or something, but like really soft, right? there's another, we can just jack that up. Jack it up, son. And then we want to do, if there's like a hi-hat sample or something, you know? I don't know what these are, but I'm kind of curious. So I'll sleep 2. Oh. Yeah, son. Yeah, let me see. So that's S Dolph. Here's F's SN dub. Okay. Zoom. Okay. So these are all kind of just snares or, oh, that's where the SN comes from. First of all, this is way too loud. So we'll go to this and we'll just sleep it once and see. Oh, that gets real annoying real fast, huh? But we're looking for... It's just so loud. I thought that the amp 0.1 would be... It doesn't seem to care. It's almost like we might need it right here. Yeah, okay. Okay. Now we want to do like a bed of ambient, right? Kind of, we wanted, I think we have to use a synth up here and tell it what to do, which I still like Hollow a lot. Hollow just sounds great. And then here, we're gonna say nested effects with reverb and echo. I don't know if you can do those both at the same time or if it'll yell at us, but let's just hear what it sounds like to play a low C. No? Must be an even number of synth arguments. Maybe we can only do one for now. I don't know. No. We gotta sleep, of course. This is so low we can't even hear it. Okay. I mean, I know that sounds like shit, but let's do like a A and an E. Low A. And then there's a way to make it choose one. Well, yeah. Shoot. There's a way to choose. Fuck, what is it? What is it? It's like I think it's brackets like this. C2, A3, .choose. I mean, you know, it sounds like awful, but this is where the pad comes in. You know, we do want, see here we're doing the amplitude with the sample. I wonder if we can just do the amplitude here. Okay. You know, it's like it doesn't. How do you make it sound good instead of just putting random notes in there? We're gonna do A and E instead of A and C. If it's A and E, actually we should do E and B, E and B, and then add the G. I know. Okay. So we're gonna do, that's E and B, and then we're gonna add a G, a G3. I'm actually just wanting a G3. I think I want to see how that sounds, because that'll be an E major, no, E minor chord. But we want to also give this a long release and or fast attack, or you know, somewhat slow attack. And I need to sleep it. Okay. I want I think I want to add a sample of some sort. You know, I don't really care for the drums, honestly. It's a bit too much for me. But let's see what else BD we got. BD house. That sounds very loud. BD me hecket. BD. Wow, I don't know what this means at all. BD club. Let me see what it sounds like without this room. Okay. Part of me thinks if I do a cutoff on this thing, I still don't know exactly how cutoff works. I thought that would do something, but it doesn't sound like it is doing anything. Oh look, TomSoft. Tom, not a Tom. Want a hi-hat, not a Tom. I saw the hi and I thought it was a hi-hat. I actually like that, yeah. Okay. Cool. Now what if one last thing? We do something called sample. And will be a sample. We're gonna do sample. Ambi drone. Oh, ambi piano. Let me see. I remember I liked ambi piano, so I kind of want to see. Yeah, not quite. Part of me just needs to hear all these, you know, because I don't know what they sound like. I wonder if we do like a really slow rate on this. Yeah. Oh shit. The ambi swoosh is kind of freaky. I kind of like it. I think it's cool. That's cool. I did give it a slower rate, which is why it's so low, but okay. Actually, I think I want one more thing. First, I just want to hear that. Yep, you're right, you're right. Okay. I'm going to say this needs to be a lot quieter. And we need to sleep it maybe every 8. See, why is that so loud still? Not quite there. I'm curious if rate changes it. Oh, that's sick. Oh, hell yeah. Heck yeah, okay. Okay, cool. I mean, you know, we got something going and we didn't look up anything. This is just trying to do what we remembered or trying to figure something out. Okay, here we go. I don't know why we were getting this problem. The platform 1 and platform 2 problem. Let me make sure we're running. Okay. So, I think today I'm just going to try to get those platforms on screen. And here's the thing, like, the times I make the least amount of progress and the times I'm most frustrated is when I get like laser hell-bent on fixing something or figuring out why something isn't working quite right. And it's like a double-edged sword because it's good to understand what you're doing. But on the other hand, if you're not making stuff, you're not making stuff. So if you're stuck because something's busted, you just have to figure out. You just have to get it working. So like, I'll just to say when I added platform 2 with all these other platforms, it was fine. I couldn't figure out why it wouldn't just do platform 2 with ground platform. I don't know why. I still don't know why, but I'm not going to get hung up on that. I'm just going to try to get all the platforms on screen. So we'll see if I can remember. Oh, you know what? This is probably super quiet because I just had this blasted. It's whatever. It's going to be a little quiet. I think that's fine. Because I was kind of mixing it when my computer speakers were full up. Okay. Anyway, So these are my notes that I'm trying to decipher right now. We've got 5 platforms. Let's do platform 1L and platform since it loops, the right is going to be the first one, the 1R is going to be the first one, and then the platform part that loops to the other side is going to be 1L. I'm deciding. But let's see. So we've got 1R. We need 1L. Looks like I already did. I had these switched. So the right one starts at 256, left one starts at -30, yeah. They're both at 45 height, which is, since it draws from the top left, 45 pixels down is our Y. So kind of close to the top. And 69 width, 8 height. So we need to add our platform 1L to our collidable platforms table. And then we need to render it. You guys think that'll work? That's the freaking problem, man. That's the freaking problem. Platform 1, L, and R. Let me just see. That one was working fine, right? Just that. Great. I don't know why it's broke now. Dude, that makes zero freaking sense. That makes absolutely no sense. The only thing I changed was to take away this number. What the heck, dude? Why would that make any freaking difference? Why would that make a difference? We're not using this platform 1 anywhere else. So why is it free? Why? Platform 1 works. What about platform 2? Excuse me. do I keep doing that? That's the stupidest shit I've ever seen, bro. The only thing I changed is that this had a letter in it. And for whatever reason, it doesn't like to do it with letters. What? Now you're working? So are you saying I can do platform 1R and you won't throw a fit? Is that what you're saying? Is there something I'm missing? If this is actually R. This is actually L. What the fuck, dude? What the fuck? Why? I can't even consistently get it to work anymore. Okay. This isn't platform 12, it's just platform 1, 2. Because I feel like for some reason, see how that doesn't throw an error when it's a number, you know, platform 1 and 2. What would be the difference if I chuck in a letter here and say this variable's actually got an R at the end, by the way, and I run the same exact code? It works. So, but I take away, does L work? This is so silly, but I keep getting problems. So, does platform 1L work? Okay. And then here is where it's going to mess up. And if it doesn't, then I truly have no idea what was going on. But if it does mess up, at least it's consistently messing up. Why would that mess it up? Are they too similar of names? I just had egg drop soup, but all the pepper was at the bottom. So when I drank it, it was like, wait, pepper. Okay. Why the fuck would R mess it up? It's the silliest shit. See, you guys are seeing the same thing I'm seeing, right? The only thing I'm changing is the R. I don't care. Let's just get the platforms on the screen. Okay. Platform 2 and 3 aren't looping, and 5. So, our platform 2 gets an instantiation of our platform class. Its first field, or first argument, is a name field that we're putting platform 2 in. Second argument is an X position, which is 76. 55 is its Y. And it is 110 wide. 8 tall. So we also got to add it, platform 2, to our table. And we also got to render on platform 2 to the screen. I just figured out I was pressing Command R instinctively because in Pi, Command R is run, right here, run and stop. Command S, stop. Command R is run. So that's why I was hitting R for no seemingly reason. Okay. So we've got platform 2 and platform 1. Let's see if that's looking accurate to screenshots real quick. Yeah, platform 1 and then platform 2. I feel like platforms need to be a bit skinnier, but maybe not. Cool. Let's go platform 3. This is what I was talking about. Instead of just sitting there, getting nothing done, adding the R, that was busting everything, which makes no sense. Instead of just sitting there, I'm saying I don't have to understand it. I just wanted to just keep making progress because it doesn't make any sense to me. Maybe I'll figure it out someday. Okay. Okay. Platform 3. Sweet. Platform 4 is looping, so let's do our platform 4 is going to be the right side platform. And it is at 262. 112 high. Okay, that was nice of me. I did the math for the X of the other position, so that was nice of me. 79 width, 7 height, baby. We're going platform 4, and we're going. Let's do not only platform 4, but 4L as well, because that's next. Now our X is now 49. That can't be right. If it's looping, it ends at 49. Okay. And it's 79 wide, so that's what, 30? Minus 30 again? Is that right? Because it's 79 wide. think that's right, maybe. Let's see, platform 4. 1, 2, 3. This is platform 4, this one that's right below platform 3, and it loops. So let's see if that's looking right. Okay. Yeah, it is actually. See, that's the problem here. Shoot, we're gonna have to fix that again. Remember we had fixed that on the ground level by extending our platform? I don't think that'll... Crap, I don't even think... Why would that have even fixed it? So basically what's going on is we've got some stuff to fix. Let's just get all the platforms on screen. Then we can fix it. We can try to wrap our head around how to fix it. Okay, last platform. That's the big papa. No, it isn't. It's only 79 wide. Let's do it. Okay, 5 gets 96 is X, 132 is Y, width 79, height same as the rest. We need to add it to our collidable platforms rather. And remember, we need to add it to that so that we can check collision with the ostrich on all the platforms. Not just one hard-coded platform, but all of them. So is this, let me see, so in our main here, we can say full screen gets false, and we can pull up our this thing. Maybe you guys will see where I'm going with this. Where, okay. You know, it's looking like it's off. It's hard to say because, you know, it looks like, see how this black is here? So the top of the screen might be here or so. So if we line up, it's hard to see, but I mean, you can tell it's close. And it's looking fairly, like the thing that looks wrongest to me is the height here. So like it looks like the height of this platform 5 is about 2 two ostriches heights high, just shy of two ostrich heights high. And then here, it looks like it's, you know, two ostrich height. There's still some gap there. So it's, I feel like 5 should be lower. I feel like 5 should be a bit lower. Yeah, maybe like 8 pixels lower or something. Why would I press the wrong things? Okay. That's looking better. I think I'm happy with that, at least for now. I do want to spawn our player 1 lower. So instead of -90, if we did a -45, it should spawn it lower, closer to the ground. Maybe it spawns it. Actually, I think. Let me try that again. Gotcha. I want to drop a little bit, but not so much. I don't know what the height is off the height of the floor. I can just look at it, man. It's the ground offset, which should be around 70 or some shit. It's 36. I was way wrong. We forgot to compensate for the ostrich height, so that's why I was so off estimating. Okay, whatever. But then look at this, we reset way high again. So we want the reset height to be this new lower height, which we just put as virtual height -65. So under our Really? Where was it under then? Tell me that. Right here, like a dummy. Oh, I am a dummy. Okay. I would have just looked. So we need to fix that. I think that's happening because it's switching platforms as it teleports, you know, from different sides. I mean, I still don't get, we never got to the bottom of why that was messing up like that in the first place. It didn't make sense to me back then either, because I was never changing my Y position. Even upon not grounding, the only time I was changing my Y position was upon jump, so. That seemed like it should have been a side collision, huh? You guys saw that, yeah, like when I land, if you land, it almost like hugged at the top of it. Like that. See how it hugs the top like that? That's so weird. Maybe we need to be less generous on our Y reset upon a top collision. Okay, I think I know why that's happening, but it wasn't pleasant to see. Sorry you guys had to see that. Okay, it's already 10. I programmed today. We've got platforms on screen. We've got a whole list of things to fix. Okay, so we need to fix This is so cryptic. Fix top glide upon fast, almost top collision. So that's how I was able to recreate that problem. When I was going fast enough, I almost hit the platform, and then it got stuck. Like I wasn't jumping, but it was like hugging the top. I really don't know why that was happening, but we'll have to fix that. I really don't get why changing any of these to an R busts it. Doesn't make any goddamn sense, but okay. We'll get add all. We'll get commit. With a message saying added level 1 platforms. We'll get push to our origin name, and we'll call it a day. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope the music wasn't too weird for you. Yeah. See you tomorrow.